Nigerians, I hope you can see what's happening. I'm about to be taken into the van. I'm live. The world is watching. More than 5,000 people are watching. Yeah, I'm being arrested. I'm being arrested, though. Nigerians, you can see. I'm being arrested. So, this is actually what's happening now is the major reason why my conscience is disturbing me to come to this place. That is one of the reasons why my conscience was pushing me to this place.
Without doing anything.
Because you see what this guy is saying. He was just picked and he's here, inside here now.
So this road now,
he was just picked and he's inside this place now. So that means they are just picking up people and putting them in the van. No. Hello, you don't need that. Yeah. So, like I was saying,
I'm not going to that
you need to understand that there's a Nigerian citizen who just wants to live his life easy and cool. He doesn't have any problem. He doesn't want to be involved with anything. So, see, Baba. My brother is here now. He might just be going on his own. He might not have anything doing. He might not want to be part of anything. It's not a crime. It's a crime to be walking around in the country.
That is the point. That's why you didn't say you didn't do anything. Even if you have come here to stand, you are still standing.
It's not a crime. See, you need to understand where it's coming from. Not everybody can have the strength that you have. So you need to understand that. There's a Nigerian citizen who just wants to live his life easy and cool. He doesn't have any problem. He doesn't want to be involved with anything. So
I didn't have car. I just let me walk.
you can't fight for them. So they are collecting our phones right now. We are not fighting with them.
You don't need to force it. There's nothing.
What has been collected?
Get me out of the
That's my phone.
We have submitted
That's my phone. That's my phone.
That's my phone. Collect phones now. If I didn't have car, I cannot use my leg and walk. I don't walk side. Hey, we have turned this country to a police state.
Taking him away.
Yes.